Hi friends, so this video shows how to allow or deny install unknown apps permission. Open settings app, tap on this settings app icon, then select more settings, then select permission management, then select install unknown apps. From this list you can select one app for which you want to allow install unknown app permission. I am going to select Google Chrome. Here you can see the option allow unknown apps to be installed. Tap here and enable it. If you enable this option, Google Chrome can download APK and install from unknown sources. Similarly, you can select any app from this list and you can set this permission. If you want to disable this permission, you can just tap here and disable it. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.